This place is an open door for everybody. It really, all walks of life love to come here and have a cup of tea. We have 4 generations of people coming in, a lot of our seniors that are bringing in their little grandchildren. So for us, not only is this ramp and the grant is just unbelievable that they're helping us do this the way we need to do it, but all the steps to making sure that that experience is just lovely.
Credit unions in general are obviously more community focused, and we found a need in our community to partner up with the Federal Home Loan Bank of Indianapolis to try to bring some of these grant monies to our communities. We're going to be allowing her to build a new ADA compliant, handicap accessible ramp.
What I've built with Christian Financial for all these years is the reason why we're at this point. They have helped us through some of the hardest times a business could have ever faced and stood up and said, we're not going to allow that to happen. We're going to lift you up. We're going to help you every way we can. The communication, the support was more than I think I've ever experienced. And I have gone to other institutions and it never was quite like that.
She has an elderly clientele, and this is going to allow them to get into the building easier.
As an architect, my heart is sort of tied to the historic nature of the home, but a lot of historic homes, almost all historic buildings, don't really have accessibility built into them. And so we try to strike a balance between maintaining historic character and being true to the nature of the house, but also try to make sure that it's prepped and ready for the needs of today and of all the customers that Jen is going to have coming in.
I know that it's important, and that's where we put our energies into those customers, and they're our lifeline. They really are.
If we're not serving our members in our communities, then I guess, what are we doing?
Christian Financial and the credit unions being that invested in communities and that invested with their partners is, you just can't buy that.